Here the question number 11 is current affairs question. The question number 12 it is with reference to the water vapor, which of the following statements is correct? It is a gas, the amount of which decreases with altitude. Yes, nearer to the surface the water vapor is more, and as altitude increases the amount of water vapor decreases. That is obviously correct. Its percentage is maximum at poles. The water vapor percentage is maximum at equator because the source of water vapor is temperature and evaporation. So in equator the evaporation is more and the water vapor amount is also, the percentage is more, and in the poles the water vapor is less. We know the relative humidity too, it is 100% in equator and it decreases towards the pole. Okay. So the statement 2 is wrong, 1 is correct, so 1 only, decreases with altitude. 13th question. The annual and daily range of temperature is low. Precipitation occurs throughout the year. Precipitation varies between 50 to 250 centimeter. Okay. The annual and daily range of temperature is low. That means it is definitely in the tropical region. The range, we know the difference between the maximum and minimum temperature should be low. That is, there is no great difference between the maximum and minimum temperature in the summer and winter months. So daily range too, that is in the day and night temperature, maximum and minimum temperature, that is also low. Precipitation occurs throughout the year. So these two, with these two statements we can determine that the answer is equator. The temperature range, annual range up to 2 to 5 degrees Celsius only, the maximum and minimum temperature difference, and in the daily range too. Precipitation, we know it is throughout the year, and the maximum precipitation goes up to more than 200 centimeter. So it is equatorial climate, option A. Then 14th question. 14th, Coriolis force. It increases with increase in wind velocity. Yes, we know Coriolis force increases from equator to pole. In the last video we discussed about Coriolis force, you can refer it. It increases from equator to pole. In equator it is 0, and in the polar region it is maximum. And with the velocity of the wind, the Coriolis force also increases. It increases with increase in wind velocity. Yes, it is. If the wind velocity is slow, it is slowly deflected. If the wind velocity is high, it is deflected with high velocity to high force. So with the velocity of the wind, the Coriolis force also increases. The Coriolis force is directly proportional to wind velocity, and also with the latitudes. As latitude increases, Coriolis force increases. If the wind velocity increases, the Coriolis force also, it is high, it is deflected with more force. So statement 1 is correct, and the statement 2, it is maximum at the poles and is absent at the equator. Yes, it is so. So both are correct, option C. The 15th question, it's a very simple question. On June 21 every year, which of the following latitude experience sunlight more than 12 hours? And June 21 is the northern hemisphere summer solstice, and Arctic will have 24 hours of daytime. You know, the Arctic will have longest daytime, and the part in the northern hemisphere, north of equator, will have more than 12 hours. Equator, from equator it is increases. So Tropic of Cancer will have more than 12 hours, and Arctic Circle also will have more than 12 hours. Then the tropic, Arctic Circle will have more duration of daytime during June month. So Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle is the answer. So select the answers 2 and 4, option D. 16th is a factual question. The largest tropical peatland, it is Congo Basin. So option B. And one more question in 19th question. Groundnut, horse gram, soybean. How many of the above belong to the pea family? groundnut, horse gram, soybean, or the leguminous plant, the leguminous crop, all the three. See the answer. Thank you everyone.